OGN, let me check the chart. Wow, wow, I love this. This one is good. And it's just about 16 cents. Let's go. Now, look at this. Look at the parabolic size. Good. 63 is not bad. And it's also in pump mode. It fits and checks all the boxes. So we're good. Let's quickly do, we're going to just buy this outrightly. Let's do this, right? Let's not waste time. We're not even bothering ourselves. We're just going to go and buy, right? Did it buy? I think we did. It did. It did. We're left with 13 cents. Of course, what do you expect? We're left with 13 cents. It didn't pick up everything, but that's fine. So we will go ahead and place it, right? We'll place it and see whether it's going to give us some goodies, okay? So we'll place this when I have done a trade with OGN and it did not do me well, but let's wait and see how this one works. I mean, there's always a chance for a second trial. Okay, let's make this 1.5. Let's make this 1.6 and see whether this is going to work. This is a new level we're creating for it. All right, so let's go sell this and put this at, let's put 9.5. Let me put 9.5 first and see if I pick up everything. Oh, what's that? That is nothing. That's nothing money. Come on. Nothing money. Okay, so let me see. Let's go back to sell. How much did we buy it as? Because I don't know why it's giving us such a low amount. I think we bought it as 15.85. Yeah, what do you expect? It was 15.85 we bought it. So we should be talking about either 17. That's what we should be looking at. 17. Let me make this 17 now. See? Okay. Oh, $53. Oh my God. Let me see. Let me go and see. We should make this let's make this 9.9. No, what am I saying? That would be 16. What would 16 do for us? 24 cents? No, not enough. 17. Okay, so that means 16, 6.5. Okay, 6.1. No, 6.6. What's going on? 6.2. Okay, 6.2 is closer because don't forget we have 18 cents. So let me make 6.3. $1.18. I think I'm okay with this. Let's go with this. Let's go with this. All right, let's go with it. Did it pick up everything? It's not picking up everything. I'm going to go and do this by convert. As usual, of course. Let's go to convert. Look at it. Where you have all these pieces. I don't want to lose any money here. Can you see that? Can you see? What is it picking up? Only 314. Then it's going to leave 685 left for me. No, 685 is like about 5 cents plus. What am I even saying? This is 20 cents, $21. No. This is 15 cents. So that's like about 7 or 8 cents. I don't want to leave that. Why should I do that? Let's go to convert. Let's go to convert. Please, is this spot trading? This is spot trading. Spot trading is arbitrage, okay? You buy low and you sell high. So I'm seeing Adebowale Christy asking, please, is this spot or arbitrage? This is arbitrage. This is spot trading arbitrage, okay? What is arbitrage? Arbitrage is buying, a coin low and selling it high in the future. That's actually arbitrage, okay? So, but if you're looking for more direct arbitrages like triangular arbitrage, where we buy on one market and move to the other, it will be very good if you can join our training program, because we take a whole lot of time to look into that in triangular arbitrage. And if you want to do inter-exchange arbitrage, you can also join our training program too. So if you're interested, the link is in the description. You can go ahead and just message me for the class, okay? But this is spot trading arbitrage, okay? Thank you. All right, so let's go ahead with currently on convert. So I want to do this, right? Let's go ahead and put USDT here. USDT. Okay, now we're supposed to do limits. We're on limits. Don't forget, we're doing limits, okay? Limit order and then limit convert, all right? So that's USDT. Okay, can you see that? We are already on limit. So we want to change this to, what was it that we wanted it to be? I think it was it not? Oh my God, I forgot again. Was it not 66? I can't remember. What did we do with us? 68? Can you remember what it was? Okay, I'm not sure. Let's just wait and see. Let's put the max and see whether it's gonna work. Oh, sorry. It was supposed to be 6. I think it was 6-1. I think we did. I think it was 6-2. Which one is it? Which one was it? I think it was 6-3. Yeah. 6-3. I think that's what we chose. But anyway, even if it's not what we chose, it's okay by me. At least we have $1.29. That's not bad. Okay. $1.29 is not bad at all. Because we actually picked up 49.8 something, right? So this is looking a bit outrageous, but I don't mind it. Look, the truth of the matter is we don't have to wait for it to get there. Once we're in profit, we can come and cash out. Okay, just remember that. But at least you should have something as a template to work with. So if let me see 6-2. Let me see what 6-2 is doing. No, I don't want that. I want 6-3 is not bad. Let's leave it at 6-3 for now. OGN is 314658. It's picking up everything. Let's go ahead and just place the order. Let's go for it. What is it? No fees. It said no fees. Okay. So we've placed our order. Our order has been placed for OGN also. And we're waiting to get it to 163. It's currently at what? Let's go check. It's currently at 1588. It's actually going up. It is going up. Is it? Let's see. Yeah, it's supposed to be going up. Let's go back. It actually is going up. We bought it 1585. So we're just going to leave it, right? We'll be back to check you out. All right. Look at it. The price is going up. Woo! Oh my God, we're currently in profit. Oh my God. This is just good. This is going to happen shortly. You know, right now I can go and cash out, right? If I want to. I'm just going to make some I'm just going to make some little profit, less than what I wanted, right? But right now you can see it's going to go up. I'll be back to check you out. Let me not be in a haste. Let me just wait for it, okay? Let me wait for it. Let's just leave it. OGN, I think we can go and cash out. What are we saying? I think. Oh, what's going on? 16.19. How much did we buy OGN? Let's go and cash out. We bought it as 1585. Oh, can we still? 1585. I think we can go and cash out. Let's go. Let's go to convert and see whether we can cash out. Let's go. Limit. I think we can cash out here. I think OGN can cash out. Let's see how much we will make for OGN. Let's cancel that. Let's see. I think we can cash out for OGN. Let's go. We're in limits. Let's go to OGN. Let's pick that up. And then USDT. Let's pick that up. All right, so let's click on. Yeah, I think we can go with this. Let's go with this. Let's see whether we can place order, or should we just do market order? It will give us less though. 72. Oh, let me see. Oh, we're still in there. No. Let me cancel it. Okay, before I go ahead, how much did we actually buy? I want to confirm that before I go with it, so that we can know how profitable this is. We bought 49.92. Okay, and it looks like we're not getting up to 2%, but we're getting more than 1%. So it's good for us to get out of this trade, right? Need to check. Yes. That's where I am. So let's go to USDT. I think we need to check it out, and then let's put the max. If I go with market order, I'm just going to make 1%. But if I go, I think we should just go and just get 1% out. Let's just get, oh yeah, I think we can go. I think we can go with this. Can we get out? I think we have. We actually made 81 cents. Awesome. That's actually not up to 2%. We actually made 81 cents. No, not 81 cents actually. Don't forget it was 49.92. Okay. So we're going to do the calculations. So OGN has delivered profits onto us, which was good. But if we left it at limit, we could have actually made more. But look, at this point, we don't want to waste time. We want to go out of a trade and go back in again. So we have 50.81. Look at it. 50.815 here. So, and then 2. So let's go back and go check the calculator right now, what that's giving us. Okay. So we have 50.81 minus 49.92. Interesting. We made 89 cents. So let's see what the percentage is. That 49.92 times that should be 1.8. Yeah, 1.8%. Not bad. We made 1.8%. Is a good one, right? Not up to 2%. Yeah, so OGN is going. It has gone. It's giving us profit, so we're good, right? Our target was 2%, but we didn't have to wait till that. We've executed OGN. That's the beautiful thing about it, right? That is the beautiful thing about it. Okay, I love that. I love that.